How to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. So if you also want to schedule a meeting on your Microsoft Teams application, here's what you need to do. The first thing, make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select this video option from the left section of your screen and you can basically start meeting after clicking on schedule a meeting option over here. And here you need to give your meeting a title, like what's the meeting about. So if it's about some project, you can just enter it and just enter the name of the person to whom you want to invite to that particular meeting later on. And you can basically enter your date, like scheduling your date and time. So let's say if I want my meeting to be at least 1 hour, so I'll simply click on it. And if I want to my meeting for all day, you can even click that as well. And if you want to repeat this meeting daily, weekly, monthly, you can choose that option as well. And you can just enter your location, where is the meeting gonna take place, or where is the meeting are you confirming from. And you can simply give the description for your meeting as well. And once you do all of that, you can finally click on the send button to successfully send the link or notify the person about or team about the particular meeting. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.